back to Cookin with James. I'm your host, James. Today's gonna be awesome. We're gonna be doing lumpias, it's in spring roll wrappers, and my wife is gonna be doing the video for you guys. So great, awesome appetizer, for any time of the year, but we're gonna go ahead and make these up for you guys, and we'll show you how to do it. Alright guys, let's just get right into it. We are doing a pound of sausage. You can use whatever you want. We're using Italian mild, you can use Italian hot, anything that you like, but we got a pound of Italian sausage. You're going to want a quarter of a white onion, 3 to 4 garlic cloves smashed. That's what we got here. Now we're just going to go ahead and add, what's in here is going to be some water chestnuts. Now the water chestnuts are just going to add a little bit of crunch. There you go, the water chestnuts. Just going to add some crunch to when you bite into it. Looks pretty dang delicious. So anyway guys, just stir it around and make sure it's all done and cooked thoroughly, about 10-15 minutes. And then once it's done, go ahead and transfer it right into any kind of bowl that you like. This is just the kind of bowl we like, the metal one, because what we're going to do, well actually you got the green onions and the water chestnuts on the side here. Dump that in, also with a tablespoon of soy sauce, and let it sit for about 15 minutes. Now what we're going to do is we are going to come back and grind it up. And you can use anything you want. You can use your hands, a utensil, whatever you like, gloves, it doesn't matter. Just make sure it's all ground up. Because what we're going to do now is go ahead and throw some tin foil on it. That looks amazing. That looks they were so delicious. Throw some tin foil on this thing and make sure to wrap it up nice and good. You're going to want to throw this in the fridge for about an hour, a minimum of an hour. The longer the better. Sorry for the camera angle here, guys. This is how you're going to want to cut your egg roll wrappers, just like that. All right, now when the mixture is done, 1 tablespoon of your mixture, and you add it just like that. Again, sorry for the camera angle, and just start rolling from that side. Now this part right here is important. Once you get right about there, then you start folding your corners in. We got the egg wash. It's 1 egg. You can see here in the corner, just whisked up. And this is gonna act like a glue for the egg roll. It's gonna make it all stick together. All right, so just keep on rolling it up. And there we go, looking pretty. Now it's gonna make it stick through the fry as well. So this is what you got. I think we ended up with like 24-ish or so. Now, let's go ahead and dump some in the grease. All right, now grease is amazing. Now we're gonna be doing air fryer on this also. So these are the grease. Once you get them all in there, you have to do a few different batches depending on how many you have. Grab a fork or whatever utensil. You want, total cook time here about 2-3 minutes. Get them, turn them, get them brown on each side. And this is kind of what they look like before you take them out. You don't want them too dark because after you take them out, they are going to continue to darken. And actually, we'll show you that right here. This is what they're going to look like after you take them out. Nice golden brown and crispy. Those look amazing. Those look so good. Actually, they were good. All right, guys. So now we're moving on to the air fryer. We got I think about 10 or so on here. We're gonna place them in the middle rack. You can place them on any rack you want if you have this air fryer. Turn this thing on. I think we're going about 375 for about 10 minutes. And wait for this thing to kick on real quick. Once it kicks on, there you go. Now this has been it's been 5 minutes. I'm checking it after 5 minutes. And they're looking all right. Like they're starting to get done. You can see, some of the grease kind of seeping through on some of them. And pop back in, and the air fryer just automatically turns back on. There you go, 5 minutes, and they're done. So a total of 10 minutes cook time for these with egg rolls. Here's the finished products for both. We have the grease or oil on the right. All right, we have the air fryer on the left. They both look really amazing. I gotta say though, so the grease, the oil looks really good. Oil is king, but the air fryer did an amazing job. So out of those two, I would say that the grease looks a little bit better, but the air fryer, some of those look really amazing too. Absolutely. So, oh yeah, it was like delicious. They were delicious. So, yeah, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and bring you to a taste test here. In a minute. All right, guys, we are finished. We've got the air fryer against oil or grease, and we're doing it's called Lumpia. These are actually an egg roll. Usually it's in spring roll wrappers, but we did egg roll wrappers with this. So I just showed you the picture of kind of the differences between the two. I'm gonna try the the grease first, without any sauce. Just try it. You know grease is good. You know oil is good. You know it's good. But I want to see about the air fryer, how it turned out for this on the egg roll wraps, and see. Let's go. Hot. Wow. Very, very pleasantly surprised. It is it's really flaky and it's really good. Now compare with the two. If I was going to choose, I would choose the oil. If I was going to do that, the healthier, better version is the air fryer, and there's not that much difference. Actually, the air fryer did really, really good on this. If I was going to eat these all day and try to make it a little healthier, the air fryer kept right up with the grease. I mean, we put these things in, a whole bunch of grease. But anyway, guys. Woo, hot. All right, guys. So there's the comparison of the two. Like I said, oil, it's still king. It is oil. It is grease. It is deep fried. You're just not gonna beat that. But very close second on this, anyways. On this, the air fryer did an amazing job. And between the two, I'm gonna go with the air fryer. A lot more healthier and just a lot better. So that's my comparison. The air fryer is awesome, guys. The Lumpias were amazing. Appetizers for holidays, parties, anything that you want. Great, awesome recipe by my wife that hooked it up for us. And yeah, besides that, if you want the air fryer, I'll pin a comment for you. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, like, comment. And other than that, I'm going to enjoy the rest of these, and we'll see you guys in the next cook. Thanks for watching.